Social media can be a very powerful tool to totally hype up professional clippers. In the case of the Stylecraft Rebel, there isn't a corner of Instagram where I don't see professional barbers utilizing them. Curiosity got to me and I just had to see what the hype was about. I went to my nearest barber depot and picked them up for about 150 bucks. This isn't my first encounter with Stylecraft, as I recently made a video on the monstrous Stylecraft Mythic. I left you guys a link in the video description if you want to check those out. The SC Rebel feels lighter than a feather with some of what I call the most consistent power output by any clipper I've ever used in the past. I'm mainly comparing these to the Wall Senior since it seems to be in the same price range. Lighter than a Magic Clip and more powerful than a Wall Senior. This is what I call a deadly combination. If you're going to purchase these, don't forget to scoop up the Gamma magnetic charging cable. They come with a micro USB attachment that makes charging these clippers seamless. The only downside is that you're going to need a USB jack close by. I recommend these clippers for established, high client volume barbers who want a light clipper that won't throw out their shoulder during the long work days in the barbershop. It seems like it's the best era to be a barber, since the tools we're getting from companies like Stylecraft are astronomical upgrades from industry standard barber products. One thing I want to add to that thought is that clippers don't really need to be so beefy to be considered amazing tools in the barbershop. If social media has taught us anything, is that the Stylecraft Rebel lives up to the hype. So what are your thoughts? Do you like the Stylecraft Rebel Clippers? Leave your comment in the comment section and subscribe for more videos like this.